In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a position in TradingView. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll also explain what you're looking at on the screen so you feel comfortable doing this on your own the next time you trade. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or asset, but you do need to have an active position for this to work, such as a long or short trade that's currently open. Once you're on your chart, look towards the bottom of the screen for a small arrow icon. This arrow controls the trading panel. Go ahead and click on that arrow to expand the panel. If the panel is already open, you'll see your orders and account information. If not, clicking the arrow will slide it up into view. With the trading panel now visible, you'll notice several tabs such as orders, positions, and maybe others depending on your broker connection. Click on the tab labeled positions. This is where TradingView lists all of your currently open trades. You should now see a row for each open position, including information like the symbol, quantity, entry price, and profit or loss. Next, look at the position you want to close. On the far right side of that row, you'll see a small X icon. This is your quick way to close that specific trade. Click on the X. When you do this, TradingView will open a confirmation window instead of closing it immediately to give you a chance to review what you're about to do. Inside this confirmation window, you'll see options related to closing the trade. One of these options is a box beside the words partial close. If you only want to close part of your position, you would check that box and then adjust the quantity. If your goal is to fully exit the trade, you can simply make sure the full position size is selected and leave partial close unchecked. It's always a good idea to double check the numbers here so you don't accidentally close more or less than you intend. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure, look for the button labeled Close Position. Click on Close Position to confirm. TradingView will send that instruction to your connected broker and your position should be closed. You'll see it disappear from the Positions tab and your realized profit or loss will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently close any open position directly from the TradingView chart.